encapsulates the idea that food can express the unique character of the land where it was grown. While most famously associated with wine, terroir actually applies to all agricultural products, from coffee to cheese to vegetables. It's really the sum of all environmental factors that influence a crop's final characteristics. So, let's break it down. First, there's soil composition. The type of soil, whether it's limestone, clay, gravel, or sand, affects water retention, root development, and the mineral profile that's available to the plant. This can have a direct impact on taste. For example, there are anecdotal reports of potatoes from mucky soils tasting, well, kind of like mud, while the same variety from sandy soils can taste exceptional. Then there's climate. Macro and microclimates, including things like temperature, sunlight, and rainfall, dictate how a plant ripens, and that affects the final balance of sugar and acidity. Topography also plays a role. The elevation, slope, and orientation of the land influence sun exposure and water drainage, creating unique growing conditions even over short distances. And finally, local organisms matter too. The surrounding flora, fauna, and, most importantly, the microorganisms in the soil all contribute to the plant's environment. The scientific heart of the terroir argument really lies in the soil microbiome. Soil isn't just an inert substrate, it's actually a teeming, complex ecosystem containing billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. This soil food web performs a critical function. It breaks down complex organic matter and minerals into the simple, plant-available nutrient ions. And this whole process creates a slow-release, biologically complex nutrient profile that's incredibly difficult to perfectly replicate with bottled chemical fertilizers. So, recent science has given us a sort of smoking gun that links this microbiome directly to flavor. A 2021 study on tomatoes published in Frontiers in Plant Science made a pretty groundbreaking discovery. It found that while the growing method didn't significantly alter the total amount of aromatic compounds, the type of compounds was different. The bacterial communities in the soil-grown tomatoes were more diverse and complex, and these specific bacteria were correlated with higher concentrations of voces described as green and pungent. Most strikingly, a specific strain of Bacillus bacteria was found exclusively in the sweetest of the soil-grown tomato cultivars, and its presence was directly correlated with higher sugar levels and desirable aroma compounds.